13 yearsలో ఓన్లీ ఫినాన్షియల్ ప్రాబ్లం వల్లే ముమైత్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసింది.
No, not see, financial problem was there, but then Mumbai doesn't know where to go and find the money.
Then
Luckily it happened. My sister was in college. Then in college, you know, you have this social events and yearly event hota hai na, annual events and all that jo college mein hota hai. Babe, I'm only 8th grade student, babe. I'm just a 8th grade student. I failed once because of Marathi. Because of Marathi, I failed once. So I was in 8th, Zabain was in 11th. She was in 11th standard and I was in 8th. And that's where she told me, Munnu, because I love dancing since my childhood. So she was like, Munnu, tu mujhe sikhayegi mere college aake. I was like, okay. So I taught her when her function happened. So the light guy who does firework on the set, shooting paper, the fire effects and the smoke effect and all that. Salim was the guy who saw Zabain. Kya ye ladki to achhi hai. And that time Remo just left Ahmed Khan.
Okay.
The DID Remo, ABCD2 director Remo. He left Ahmed Khan just then. And he was looking for girls to create a group for Remo. So Remo started as a choreographer. We started as a background dancer. So Zabain said it, I will only do it if you allow my sister to do it.
So she wanted to go along with you.
Yeah, because she knows she will never get to go alone for sure. So the only way was me.
Okay.
And she knew it that I used to love, because my mom said it since the time I started walking, I used to dance. I used to only dance. My mother said it. This is a fact. Maybe that's the reason why I'm still like this. So she said it, अभी बहन रहेगी साथ में तो माँ तो मना ही नहीं करेगी. और माँ की मजबूरी. करेक्ट, माँ की मजबूरी, क्या कर सकती, कुछ नहीं कर. एक तो वी कम फ्रॉम अ पठान फैमिली, ऑल आवर कजिन्स दे वेयर बुरखा, हिजाब, सलवार कमीज एंड ऑल दैट. माय फादर कम्स फ्रॉम अ प्रॉपर पठान बैकग्राउंड. तो माँ was like a eagle in the house. My माँ is like a bull. She is a very strong woman. मेरा माँ इतना strong है, इतना strong lady है ना, समझ लेना वो शेर है तो इसके लिए वो 1.25 शेर पैदा किया है. हाँ, मेरा माँ इतना स्ट्रांग है, खड़े खड़े फाड़ देगा किसको भी, इतना स्ट्रांग है, दिमाग पर आके हमको नहीं छोड़ती. She doesn't leave my father also. She doesn't leave me and my father. गाली गाली, बिंदास गाली she gives it. So बचपन से देखा है, माँ ने बोला है बेटा एक मार खा के कोई भी आए ना घर पे मैं मारूंगी तुम लोग को. So that is my mother word. So that's the reason why. So माँ ऐसा था, ज़बाइन को मिला, and then ज़बाइन came and spoke to mother. And plus you have a situation in the house where you cannot do anything because you are in need of that. So still my mother was like, this is only one time, huh? If your father gets to know, na, he will kill me. He will. My father is Pathan. Touch wood. वो माँ ने तो बचपन से डर डाल के रखा था. आज बड़े होने के बाद when I see my father, he is such a gentleman. वो पहले से वैसे ही थे. See, माँ ने ना दिल में डर डाल के रखा था कि तेरे पापा मारेंगे. तो वो उसके बाद से एक बार हाथ छुप छुपा के माँ का मजबूरी ना भेजेगा तो गया. We did a shoot. My first payment was 750 rupees. So we bought 1500 at home.
We both. Okay, 750.
Yeah, we bought 1500 at home first time. बस उसके बाद स्कूल. फिर एक महीने बाद कॉल आ गया because for all the others they were looking for dancers and me and Zabain, we were young because we were Pathan. We grew up very early. Our body, our structure, it grew up early because being Pathan and South Indian, even you know, South Indian girls कितना जल्दी they look mature. At the age of 12, 13 they look very mature. तो अभी मैं mixed breed है. I'm a mixed breed of Pathan and South Indian. तो वो तो और भी जल्दी इंसान बड़ा दिख गया. You won't believe when I was 13 I used to look like 17 or 18 years old.
Okay.
और आज तो एज बढ़ती ही नहीं है, 31 होने के बाद भी नहीं लगती बुढ़ी में.
It's not like that.
No, I'm seriously telling you, it's just a hereditary and nothing else. It's in the genes. So that was a plus point. That's it. Nothing else.
Did anybody tell you about your eyes? It's like greenish.
No, this is lens.
Okay.
It was dark brown, but then I have noticed after my operation, when I see myself in the mirror, it's coming lighter brown.
Oh.
I don't know, babe. I'm being very honest.
Okay.
I'm being very honest. This is a lens what I wear. But if I take it out, earlier it was chocolate brown. You know, you have black. जैसा उनका भी chocolate brown है, or you have a chocolate brown. It was that. But since 1 year when I'm seeing my eyes, it's becoming lighter brown.
Okay.
मैंने मेरी माँ को भी बोला, just a week back I told her, मैंने माँ मेरी eyes का color ऐसा हो रहा है. ये कुछ है क्या? नहीं ना बेटा, इतना ऐसा, यू नो हाउ मदर अच्छा ठीक है, स्टॉप इट. She's a funny man. So this is how life is, man. This is how it goes.
You did piercing on your tongue, and
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
famous for that, no? Tongue మీద piercing. I'm sorry,
Yes.
show to camera, if you.
It is there since ages. I did when I was 18 years old. I'm 31 now.
తినేటప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లం అనిపించదా?
यार इट्स लाइक you're hearing it. क्या ये हमेशा ये क्वेश्चन क्यों आता है? खाना खाने के बाद अटकता नहीं है. No, it's the same thing like your piercing.
Piercing, but you won't eat from here, no?
अरे इसको ये क्या मतलब हो गया? It's just normal, like a normal piercing.
Okay.
दो
And
बार
you
तो
have
मैंने
tattoos
बाबल
too.
खा लिया है. 2 बार तो अंदर खा भी लिया है. But it's fun, yeah, babe. This is how life is. You're supposed to be happy. Do things what you love to do in your
Yes.
life. Don't listen to others. कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला.
అండ్ ముమైత్ ఖాన్ దాని గురించే బాగా ఏది అంటే అది ఏది లోపల ఉంటుందో అదే చెప్తుంది అని.
You are supposed to be like that. People are gonna like you. Some people are gonna hate you for it. So care a hell about who's gonna hate you. Because don't change your personality for someone because you don't fit in.
ఏదో
You
ఒక
will
point
fit
of
in
time లో-
anywhere. You don't have to categorize yourself and be for a person to fit in. You don't have to. You will fit in anywhere in life. That's how God has made you. Nobody can take anybody's fate anywhere. Until and unless you ruin it from your own hand. That is different.
మన ఓన్ హ్యాండ్స్ తో రూయిన్ చేసుకున్నా కూడా రిగ్రెట్స్ ఉండదు ఆఫ్టర్ ఆల్.
Regrets you supposed to regret 1 or 2 days, but then move on. Move on. Walk forward. If you stay in the past, babe, वो तो past ही हो जाएगा ना, babe. I personally feel जो मुझसे डरता है या तो वो झूठा रहेगा, चोर रहेगा, या तो कुछ तो गलत
not
रहेगा.
true to them.
हाँ, जो गलत रहेगा इंसान वो मुझसे दूर भागता है. क्योंकि मुंह पे लगाम नहीं है ना, from brain till my mouth. If you do wrong, I will say, babe, this is wrong. Whether you like it or don't like it. If you will not like it, you will never talk to me. And it will never matter to me also.
ఓకే.
It will never matter. What to do? माँ बाप ने वैसे ही रखा है. मेरा पप्पा वैसे रहता है. My dad is staying like this. I have seen my dad since childhood like that. You know that?
కాదు, ముమైత్ ఖాన్ మూవీస్లోకి వచ్చేసాక అంటే ఫస్ట్ బయటికి పంపించడానికి మదర్ చెప్పారు, ఫాదర్ తెలిస్తే ఏమన్నా అంటారు అని.
Father got to know after when we regular started working. So that's where my mother became hero, entered in the position, and because माँ का ही काम होता है. माँ ही पापा को हमका पापा ने ऐसा डरा के रखा है कि बड़े लोग बात करते बीच में बात नहीं करने का. घर में मीटिंग होता है बड़े लोगों का, घर से बाहर भगा देती थी मम्मी, बाहर जाओ खेलने. कभी हम लोग के सामने कोई मैटर
डिस्कस नहीं
नहीं, कभी नहीं. किसी का झगड़ा, भाई भाइयों का झगड़ा या बहन बहनों का झगड़ा, बच्चे कोई इन्वॉल्व नहीं. नो इन्वॉल्वमेंट.
Okay.
सो वो डर था कि हम फादर से बात तो नहीं कर पाएंगे. द ओनली वे इज माई मदर. तो मदर सेड इट. माई मदर कॉल्स माई फादर शमू का पप्पा. दैट इज माई एल्डर सिस्टर नेम शमीना.
Okay.
तो शमू का पप्पा.
यूजुअली नॉर्थ साइड पीपल कॉल दैट लाइक दैट ओनली.
हाँ, पहले बच्चे के नाम से. सुनो गोपी के पप्पा. आई टोल्ड माई मदर, मम्मी मैं इतना करने के बाद तुम मेरे पापा को मुन्नू के पापा क्यों नहीं बोलते हो? मुन्नू के पापा बुलाओ. इतना हंसते. So that's when my mother explained my father about the whole situation. And my father is such a gentleman. My father studied in St. Joseph. All his friends were Catholic and Punjabis.
Wow.
Being a Pathan and coming from a very conservative family. जो बचपन में नहीं मालूम था, थोड़ा बड़े होने के बाद ही पता चला. So that's where my father was very chilled out.
Okay, he was okay.
He was very much okay, very supportive. You won't believe after some time I got to know, जब मैं छोटी थी, my mother said, तेरे को मालूम तेरा पैर कितना अच्छा दिखते है? तेरा पप्पा बोलता है अरे मुन्नू को ना शॉर्ट ले, हसीन मुन्नू के लिए ना शॉर्ट चड्डी ले, शॉर्ट्स पहनने के लिए मुन्नू के लिए, मुन्नू का पैर अच्छा दिखता है. कौन करता है ऐसे? तो my father has always been a very open heart, open minded guy. यानी वो इंडियन रह के भी फॉरेनर है. वो इंडियन रह के भी फॉरेनर है. माँ उल्टा है, माँ चील है, माँ ईगल है. बैठ के ची करके बैठे खत्म. तो ऐसा होता है, एक नेगेटिव एक पॉजिटिव रहता है. माँ स्ट्रांग है, फादर मोर जेंटलमैन है. तो आई एम अ मिक्स ब्रीड ऑफ दैट. तो इसके लिए मैं बोलती हूँ ना, प्यार तो दिल से प्यार पापा की तरह, नफरत तो माँ की तरह, कुछ दूंगी भी नहीं, हट निकल जाए यहाँ से, वैसा होता है.
ఇంట్లో సిస్టర్స్తో గొడవ అవుతూ ఉంటుందా?
सच्ची बोलूं एक ही बार, जस्ट वंस. बिकॉज व्हेन आई स्पीक आई कीप माई पॉइंट अक्रॉस. किसको सुनना है सुनो, नहीं सुनना है मत सुनो, मेरी मैं आगे नहीं बोलना है, तुम्हारी मर्जी. माई फादर अंडरस्टैंड. My father loves me, by the way. He knows. He keeps telling my mother also, नहीं हसीन, मुन्नू बरोबर बोल रही है, मुन्नू proper बोल रही, सही बात कर रही है वो. So that's where my mother understands them, and that's where the whole family understands.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది మెచ్యూరిటీ? ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చాక వచ్చిందా లేకపోతే?
हाँ, industry will always teach you because I grew up in the industry from the age of 13. So my maturity comes from the industry, and secondly, seeing my father and mother. They never did bad to anybody. मैंने आज तक का टिल टुडे मैंने अपने माँ बाप को बैठ के ये डिस्कस नहीं करते हुए सुना है कि इसने मेरा बुरा किया, इसका सत्यानाश हो जाए. इसने ये इंसान ने ऐसा किया ना, अल्लाह उसको दिखाएगा. इसने उसको वैसा किया ना, मेरे दिल की हाई है. यू नो, अ नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशन डज हैपन इन द एनी हाउस. मैंने आज तक का नहीं सुना मेरे मॉम डैड के मुंह से टिल टुडे. तो मेरे मन में भी नहीं आता है. टिल टुडे मेरा माँ बाप कभी नहीं बोलेगा. एक ही बोलता है, बेटा जो जैसा करता है ना करने दो, तुम तुम्हारा काम करो. वो होता है, वो टाइम के हिसाब से तुम्हारा नीयत अच्छा रहेगा ना, तुमको सब मिलेगा. तुमको जरूरत नहीं है कि अगर कोई गलत किया तो उसके ही लेवल पे नीचे गिर के उसको करो. मैं आजकल मैं बोलने लगी. टिल लाइक राइट नाउ आई कीप सेइंग नो, इट्स अ कलयुग का टाइम. जो जैसा करता है ना उसको सुना के फिर अच्छा सो बोलकर निकल जाओ. आज मैं बोलने लगती हूँ. मेरे माँ बाप आज तक का दे डोंट स्पीक बैड अबाउट एनीबॉडी. यानी एक काम वाली भी यहाँ पे तो काम, इधर सर्वेंट्स दे मेक सो मच फूल मैन. मेरा माँ इतना खाना खिला, क्योंकि काम करता है ना, खाना खिलाता है, सब करता है. 9 दिन काम आएगा, 10वें दिन वो गायब होगी, मॉम भड़क जाएगी. 11वें दिन आके सॉरी बोलेगी, मॉम फिर से काम पे लगाएगी. तो वो माफ करने का आदत ही है दोनों को, मॉम डैड को आदत है. तुम कितना भी बुरा करके चले जाओगे ना, पैसे चोरी करके ले जाओ, झूठ बोल के चले जाओ, कुछ लेके चले जाओ, तभी खराब लगेगा. बट विद इन द सेकेंड डे इफ यू कम एंड बी सॉरी अबाउट इट, दे विल फॉरगिव यू. दे विल फॉरगिव यू. तो वो बचपन से मैंने देखा है. सिंस चाइल्डहुड आई हैव सीन दैट इन माय पेरेंट्स. సో
ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చాక పేరెంట్స్తో ఎలాంటి గొడవ అవ్వలేదు ఇక్కడ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ కానీ వాళ్ళ అడ్వైస్ ఇవ్వడం?
ఐ యామ్ వెరీ లక్కీ టు హ్యావ్ అ వెరీ సపోర్టివ్ ఫ్యామిలీ. మై ఫ్యామిలీ, ఐ ఓన్లీ బిలీవ్ ఇన్ మై ఫ్యామిలీ ఇస్ మై మదర్, फादर, शमीना दीदी, माय ब्रदर इन लॉ, शमीर शमरोज माय नेफ्यू, मी एंड ज़बान. ये मेरा फैमिली है. उसके अलावा मेरे को कुछ नहीं मालूम दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है. जेन्युइनली I genuinely don't know what's happening around me. And I genuinely don't want to know what's happening around me. I'm not interested. ये मेरा फैमिली है, इतना काफ़ी है मेरे लिए. I'm very lucky. I'm very lucky. My elder nephew is 21 years old. My younger one is 19 years old.
Oh.
I'm very lucky to have family who supports me for each and every small thing.
ఒక నరసింహచారు అలా ఉంటాడో అలా ఉంటా. లుంగి వేసుకొని మనీని వేసుకొని పొద్దున్నే వేపుళ్ళు వేసుకొని.
మీ వైఫ్ చాలా విపరీతంగా బాధపడేవారంట కదా.
ఆమెకు కూడా ఒక డౌటు, ఈయన్ని హీరో పెట్టి ఎవరు చేస్తారు, పిచ్చి కాకపోతే చెప్పారు. అంటే ఏంటి రేపు పొద్దున ఈయన ఏమన్నా చేస్తే చాలా అతను కొన్ని అంటే చాలాసార్లు ఏడ్చిన రోజులు
అంటే ఏది వేరే అమ్మాయి
అంతే అమ్మాయి కావచ్చు, ఇంకేదన్నా ఒకలే తను వదిలేయచ్చు మనల్ని. నీ అంతరాత్మ సాక్షిగా నువ్వు ఎప్పుడైనా వీడు నాకు అన్యాయం చేశాడు అని నువ్వు కంటతడి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా అనుకొని చేసినాడు, ఆ రోజు నా పతనం స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది చెప్పాడు.